Welcome to this hands-on tutorial on creating a labeling job using Amazon SageMaker Ground Truth. In this walkthrough, you will learn how to set up a SageMaker domain, prepare your dataset, create a labeling job, and explore key Ground Truth features. Begin by navigating to the Amazon SageMaker console. Create a new SageMaker domain. For this exercise, the default option, Quick Setup for a Single User, works perfectly. Once the domain is created, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that the setup was successful. From the left sidebar, select Ground Truth, and then click on Labeling Jobs. While you're here, explore the other Ground Truth sections as well, Labeling Domains and Labeling Workforces. These options help you understand the types of tasks and worker configurations available in SageMaker. Next, click on Create Labeling Job. Provide a name for the job. Then specify the S3 bucket where your dataset is stored. At this point, you'll need to upload the images you plan to label. Navigate to Amazon S3 and upload your images. In this example, 2 images have been uploaded to the bucket. Once the upload is complete, return to Ground Truth and continue setting up the labeling job. Select the S3 bucket containing your images as the input source. Next, specify an S3 location where the output of the labeling job will be stored. For the IM role, choose Create a New Role. Provide access to the specific S3 buckets that contain your input and output datasets. Click Complete Data Setup. If you receive a prompt indicating a missing data type selection, simply go back, choose the correct data type, and proceed again. Once complete, you'll see confirmation that the input dataset setup has succeeded. Now you can explore the various labeling task options available. Click Next to move forward. On the worker selection page, review the different workforce options. Do not proceed with creating the job, simply skip the Create action, as this tutorial focuses on understanding the setup process. This concludes the exercise. As a best practice, remember to delete any resources you created to avoid unnecessary charges, especially the SageMaker domain. Thanks for following along with this walkthrough.